Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today we are going to present our group project for Csc658, which is OpenGL and Blender. So our lecturer's name is Hazrati binti Zaini and our group is 3B. Next is our team members. So our group consists of 4 members: SABRINA AQILAH binti ZULFAKAR, me, NURAIN binti RASHID, NABIHA binti AHMAD, and SAIDATUL binti SHARIL. So each of us contributed to different parts for this project, including designing, coding, and testing. Now I will explain task 1, which is the playground swing. So the theme for this task is playground. Our objective was to design one swing using OpenGL by combining polygons, lines, circle, and text. We also needed to implement 3 transformations, which are translation, rotation, and scaling to animate the swing. As shown on the right, we created a colorful playground scene with a swing as the main object. The swing can move, rotate, and change its size using keyboard controls. Beside the swing, we also added decoration such as sun, clouds, flower, and cat to make the scene more attractive and realistic.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Sabrina AQILAH binti ZULFAKAR, and today I'll be presenting demonstration of our task 1. Without further ado, let's take a look at our task 1, OpenGL swing. So this is our OpenGL swing task. As you can see, we designed it to have a playground theme. If the user wants to move the swing, they can use up or down, left or right button on the keyboard. If they want to rotate to the left, they can use uppercase R. If they want to rotate to the right, they can use lowercase r. If the user wants to enlarge the swing, they can click plus button on the keyboard. If they want to make it smaller, they can use minus button. Alternatively, they can use equal key button to enlarge it.
My name is SAIDATUL binti SHARIL, and I want to explain about task 2. Task instruction is each group is required to draw one Rumah Tradisional Melaka using Blender software, enhance the appearance of the model using the all of shading, illumination, and other available techniques in Blender. Suggested structure in Rumah Tradisional Melaka are as the following. First, raised timber structure. Second, decorative fascia board. Third, covered veranda. 4, symmetrical layout. 5, manageable polygon count.
Assalamualaikum, my name is NABIHA binti AHMAD, and today I will present my 3D project which is Traditional Melaka house, and I created this model using Blender. First, I create the main structure of the house. I use simple objects such as cube to build floors, walls, roof and stairs. Then I scale, move and rotate each object until the house look like real traditional Melaka house. And I also add the wooden pillars under the house because traditional Malay house are built on raised platform. And next, I create the roof. I started with a cube and edit the shape using edit mode. Then I use loop cut, extrude and scale to create the roof shape. And to make the roof more realistic, I add roof ties by repeating the same pattern across the roof, and this gives the house traditional look. After that, I create the front stairs, windows and door. I also add the wooden fence around the veranda. This part were made using cube and then resized into the correct shape. This make this house look more complete. Next, I add decoration to make the house look alive. Inside the house, I place curtain, chairs and other furniture. Outside the house, I add trees, a wooden swing, human models and also ground surface. This object makes the environment look more natural and also realistic. After all objects were finished, I apply material and texture. I use wood texture for the walls, floor and also pillars, and I use darker colors for the roof. The trees, swing and ground also have their own texture. Texture makes the model look more realistic instead of using plain colors.
That's all from us. Thank you.